we are going to revive the old gold truck that has been sitting on the fence row and get it going so that we can put the camper in it.
It's pretty good. It needed nothing. It cleaned up.
Yeah, it really didn't need much, but we were able to get it here, and
I never done that with it. I bought it 2 years ago and drug it home, set down the fence row. I don't know why, but that's where it landed. And
I think we just ran out of time.
No, probably yeah. But either way, we didn't do nothing with it.
And I think it's been 3 years. I'm pretty sure.
It probably did.
Yeah, but as you can tell, we have an awesome fuel system on it, and
It's a Loco, so you know it's good.
And we're just gonna bring you guys along while we dig it up out of the fence row. And
Now let's sit down. Ow! That was a terrible idea, though. Help me help. Right in the hole. Right in the hole in my pants. Ah. Why'd you let me do that?
Stop touching it.
I've got these in my home church pants. Ow.
Oh my gosh.
That was a terrible idea.
I can't breathe. Wait.
Ow.
We're on the fence row and piddle with the gold truck. It's been a couple months that we decided that we wanted to use it for a camper truck, which we can tell the story on it, explain how we got it.
I really don't remember how we
We got it from Beth.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, we got it from Beth. It was 800?
Something like that.
It's like 800 or 1,000. Oh, you nailed it. You got it. But we're going over to the new shop, grab the tripod so you guys can watch and follow along and see how we get this thing going. If we can get it going. Will it run?
Where's the button for the door?
I don't know where the other one's
Oh,
at.
it was in here. All right, we'll go grab that.
Remember?
It's cool with the 2 fingers.
Remember when we did that?
Hey, look at me. I'm Sarah. Look at me. Look at me. I'm Sarah.
And this is to Gary, get it right.
Yeah. This is cool with the 2 fingers.
That's right. This is a local truck, so.
It's Loco.
Loco. Ooh, that's gonna be the name, Loco.
That's a dumb name.
I don't think it's a dumb name.
Yeah, it's a dumb name.
I think it's a good name. You're just jealous. You didn't come up with it.
Already paying us back. Ugh. Oh, are you kidding me? It's got a battery on it. I think it's.
Is it good?
I don't know.
Is this the one we lost?
I bet it is. Okay, it's been a couple years, so it's clearly not good now. But this was a good battery.
It's been at least 3 years. It may have been.
That sucks. This was new when I put it on there.
Well.
Oh well. Since we're already over here. Oh, forgive me.
I think that was part of what we were having some of the issues with.
No, there was nothing wrong with it. I drove here and parked it here. Or maybe we pushed it here, but it
Not Beth's.
this truck. Yes, this truck I drove it. It was flooding out of the float was sticking in the carburetor. Yeah, there was nothing wrong with this truck. I mean,
Maybe
there was a lot wrong with it, but there was
Maybe I'm confusing this one with the other gold
that
truck.
one right there. We sold Daryl. Had all kind of electrical issues. I stuck the MSD box on it and it fell down on top of the.
What was the one with the dent inside that we got for $600 from that gas
I
station?
sold that one. That
We
short
put the
bed.
step side
I
on
put
it.
that bed off of that one. No, this one didn't have nothing wrong with it. I gotta go grab a wrench.
Okay.
No, that one there that Daryl got, it had electrical issues.
Remember, you had the gas on the back.
Huh?
Gas on the back.
I know. I'll put there. That sucks. I'm pretty sure this is a new battery. No. 11 to 15. It's old. It's garbage.
We're not heartbroken about it.
I'll put it with the 50 other core batteries we got.
So one of the cool things about this truck is it actually is a local truck. We got it from one of our neighbors, and I cannot remember if we paid $800 or $1,000, but I'm gonna go with $800 because it sounds a lot better.
$1,000, and I said, yes.
That sounds like something you'd say. So I'm gonna go with $800, but it's a there's a spot. So I'm pretty sure it's $800. Either way, it's an awesome. It's an awesome truck. We've just not done anything with it. No, 3.
So,
It's been 3 years. So awesome truck. Super solid. We're gonna get it going and do some.
It does cranks.
Yeah.
Sounds like something hit the fan. Can't tell. Gonna take that lid off. What in the world is this? What is going on there?
Zip tie.
That's the craziest. Oh, that's not bad. Don't drag. All right. Sorry, sir. You want to crank it? Oh, you know what? I remember now. I had a hose rigged up to the fuel pump to pull. Go ahead and see if we can start. Go ahead. All right, let's get some gas to it. It'll run. It didn't smoke that bad either. How did I do this? I remember having the gas tank jug rigged up this thing. I just don't remember what I done. Let me look here. I remember I had something zip tied to the front to get it to run. Oh, okay, I remember now. I have to go back to the shop and grab some fuel line and
Super solid truck. No bells and whistles. Has a vinyl floor.
it does have one bell.
It has one bell.
No whistle.
No whistles. Yeah.
Crank windows too. I always forget about that.
Yeah. I feel like it's windows.
No, it's a crank with sad too. I got it struck because it comes here and it's not up, but it's a good truck. Alright. Fuel rigged up. That flare.
Yeah.
let's go fill that. That's got a fuel hose.
We're gonna steal the fuel setup from the Polaris. This is the part where we see what happens. It says.
Watch, I'm gonna be so excited and the transmission don't work or something. I'm pretty excited the carburetor fixed something. The plug was sticking out.
Yeah. Jason's really excited because the carburetor is.
Yeah, the plug was sticking and it was keeping gas out. Let's see if the transmission works now.
Yeah.
I don't get too excited. It's basically an altered with the filter on front.
Oh yeah.
I'm super excited about these manual windows.
Yes.
This is probably the best truck in the yard.
I think the brown truck still is my favorite. Yep.
Reverse works.
That's good.
Brakes are questionable. I think they'll free up though.
Yeah.
Yeah, the brakes are stiff.
The horn works. What?
Nothing with the horn. This horn works.
Yeah. It does sound good. Let's check. Right, our driver, passenger. Yeah, let me check the back. Headlights. Do it again. Yep. Low beam. Let me check the tail lights. Driver, passenger. Not bad. Best truck in the yard. Do it again. No brake lights. Windshield wipers. No brake lights.
Can't have it all.
No. I like that tailgate.
No, this is garbage.
Stamp though.
Yeah. Oh, look.
I know.
This is gold. Look. I don't know where I got that from, but look, it's gold.
I think it was from the step-side truck.
It matches. I don't know. Oh, they come with that picture I bought. Sweet center lines, forgot about.
I'm not touching that because it's growing in it.
Okay, it works. It works. Look at this.
Good news is for the camper truck, we're not going to need a tailgate. Yeah. May need to take it somewhere and blow it out. Yep. Yep.
Got water in it. Drive it. All right, we're down here at the old shop. Even though it looks like it was abandoned 20 years ago, because I built on that room and this room over here. I took all the tin off. And like everything else, I just abandoned the project. Never got back on it. But I've got all the metal bought. This is just a hangout room we built. Hadn't finished it yet either. Started on the insulation and got lazy. Bought a new couch, shop fridge, and it was just somewhere to hang out and watch TV and have room for a car. And it's actually a pretty good building, but it looks junky because I never finished the metal on it. Built a new shop over there, and it's taking all our time and money. But let's go find some antifreeze. Got some gallons right here somewhere. Oh, there's my Optima battery. Forgot about that. Well, there we go. This is all the junk I saved from work that they try to throw away, and I have to go dumpster diving and save it. Partial gallons. And it's probably water. But let's just see. Yep, there's a little bit in there.
It feels.
What, Abby? What'd you say?
She goes, it feels like Christmas today.
Why?
That's what I said. I don't know why.
Is she making her gummy bear thing?
I think so.
Alright.
Take it for a drive?
Take a tow truck. Just gotta call Abby to come get us. I don't know if the fuel gauge works, but it says there's a quarter tank in there. Temperature gauge seems like it works. Oil pressure sounds good.
It does.
Sounds okay. Look at that oil in the back.
Got a little bit back there. Crank windows. Might need to get a new Man, it could use a good cleanup. It's dirty. It smells not terrible, honestly. Has the vinyl floor, the rubber floor. Which honestly, we could change out Brownie the Brown Truck's carpet with the new stuff and put that in here.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Yeah, make this nice. The visors, they're a little toasted.
I don't even know how that happens. How do you do that?
Oily, dirty hands. It used to have a headliner.
I've got one in there.
Yeah. The lights cracked, but I think we've got a good one. You know what I see that I'm a little jealous of?
What?
The gauges aren't all jacked.
All right. Let's see how far we get down the road, and then it breaks down.
Yeah. Get all this junk out.
Oh, you know what? There's some kind of light harness. That's probably why the brake lights don't work.
Probably.
Yeah. The brake tracks are starting to work.
Are we gonna get that junk out the back or no?
What junk?
Door. No? Okay.
It won't fall out. Gear.
Transmission's working so far.
Oh, third gear.
Dang. There goes the leaves.
Yeah. It's falling, y'all.
Oh my gosh. So it smells like the...
Yeah, this front brake on the...
Yeah, it smells like the front brake.
Yeah, the front...
It smells like brakes.
it's locked up. Oh, no. Now she quit running. Oh, no. I don't know if that was out. Oh, no, baby. Don't do something out here.
Gas?
Oh, crap. It's still rolling. Hurry. Oh, no. There's dead skunk right in the road, too. Oh, and the brake's locked up.
Oh gosh.
Dang it. Where's that ether?
Not sure.
Oh, no. It's completely out of gas.
Well, why is she so hot?
That's just burning oil. Dang it.
Golf cart?
No.
Truck? Jeep?
Call Abby. Have her bring the Jeep.
Okay.
Well, we ran out of gas. That brake locked up. The smoke, I'm okay with. It's just all the oil. All these things are okay.
It's alright.
It's the dead skunk 5 foot from us that the vultures are eating and smells terrible. That's the worst part about this whole deal.
Yeah.
That's the worst part.
This is our version of legit roadkill.
Yeah. And guess what? We're here with each other. The only thing that can make this better is the cops show up right now.
That would be awesome. They would become our friends.
I honestly don't even know if I've got this thing titled with my name.
I don't think so.
I'm pretty sure I probably didn't. You know, I thought ratchet strapping that gas can to the bumper was
This was a good idea.
that was a great idea until we ran out of gas.
Yeah.
Oh well.
So we're kind of cleaning up a little bit. We're over in, it's hard to see, but the blue audience down there, and found a minty mint duster gas tank. So have a gas tank for the duster, and then Jason goes, oh yeah, I have a sending unit.
Yeah, it's brand new, and I forgot you got a brand new
Okay, sweetie. You can...
Well, baby.
Abby's cleaning up her truck.
Don't show my toes. That's $15.
She's nuts. We've got the tailgates out of the back of the truck. Now we're gonna get all the junk out, but Jason's thoroughly impressed with how good the heater works. What'd you find?
It's a cool old book, 95. Vector planner.
We're still trucking with the new fuel system. It's working great. Working great. We're gonna clean this out. Guys, that's a wrap on this video. I hope you enjoyed our fun that we had. I wish I'd have recorded more when we got stuck, but we did a live, so go check that out. We are going to get the fuel system set up so we don't have the gas can on the front of the truck. It's too solid not to. We need to pull the bed and clean out the tank and clean up the truck before we put the vintage camper in. But we'll bring you along for the whole ride, for the whole trip, for all of the crazy stuff that we do with these old Dodge trucks. We appreciate every single one of you that watch, all of our subscribers. Thank you guys, and keep watching because there is so much more to come.